Today we are going to talk about a trick that these days has grown to keep many people in the town. There is this new website that gives you the opportunity to earn money without depositing. Without depositing money. This is after adding a task. It is very easy. The link is in the description. After touching the link, you will see the part to join. You can join using SIM number or email. You will create a password and then you will enter. You will meet a place with this appearance here. And for everyone who joins, he grows 1 VIP. And in VIP 1, you will earn $1 every day. This is because you don't save money, you will earn $1. And the minimum withdrawal is from $9. So it will take several days to reach $9. But you can't withdraw money until VIP 2. You can also enter VIP 2 without depositing money. To earn money, you will touch the task section. You will find a product that you will get if you post it. You will press complete task. After completing it, I will have earned $1.70. When you are a VIP 2, you give money very easily, because when you are a VIP 2, you are guaranteed to get $9, but if you complete a task, you get $9. The minimum withdrawal amount is $9, so if you are VIP 2, you can withdraw $9 every day. How are you going to withdraw money if I said VIP 2 until you deposit money? Do this for 2 ways to enter VIP 2. The first step is to give $9 every day. You have to invite 50 friends, and then you will be allowed to enter VIP 2. How to invite friends: you will go to my team, you will copy the link, then you will share it with 50 people and they will join there to give $9. The classic is a reminder. If you see that 50 people is too many, if you invite 5 people, then 2 of them will deposit. Then you will enter VIP 2 without reaching 50 people. And every time you invite someone and they place an order, then you will get 11% of their money and you will be placed in VIP 2 immediately. If you are 50, you will screenshot this part. You will go to the message symbol. If you touch the message symbol, you will go to the online service. It will send you a telegram. You will go to chat with these guys. You will send a screenshot. Then you will tell them to activate. He will activate, and you will enter VIP 2, where the point of giving $9 is classic. There are these low levels until you deposit money, so leave them $9 a day is a lot after inviting a friend. How to withdraw money on this website: you will touch the withdrawal section, and here is the withdrawal section. You will take your addresses, Binance, Tron, TRC, 20. You will paste it here. You will write the amount you want to withdraw. You will finish by writing the password. You will press confirm within 24 hours. You will receive money in Binance. If you have it and need to open a Binance account, the link is in the description.